The digital cabin model aims at developing a comprehensive virtual planning process for VIP cabin completions. Past Fitcheck procedures that took up to 3 to 5 months will be superseded.
Cave is a
3D projection room for VIP cabins below the VIP engineering department to take a virtual look at our VIP cabins before they're actually built. The goal of the project is to develop the capability to design and produce the finished components in a way that a single-shot first fit installation can be carried out. This will reduce the lead time as well as the downtime of the aircraft. Further advantages are an enhanced product and simplified design definition. Traditionally, we used to fabricate the furniture up to a certain intermediate state, then take it into the aircraft and test install it to find out where adjustments were needed to achieve a perfect fit. We had to take the furnishings out of the airplane so that we could work on them in the workshop before covering them with leather or applying similar surfaces. The whole process took a very long time, and the purpose of the project was to speed things up. We want to perfect our planning in such a way that we can produce all the interior components to a standard of quality that will enable them to fit into the aircraft from the outset with minimal adjustments. The coordination process that we used to carry out in the aircraft, which meant that we had to have the aircraft in the hangar here in Hamburg, can now be carried out virtually in Cave. For this purpose, we feed the aircraft model plus all of the engineering data into Cave. Then we invite all our colleagues who used to meet in the actual aircraft into Cave, where they can walk through a three-dimensional, one-by-one representation of the airplane that doesn't yet physically exist, and identify the problems and flaws in the design, which previously would not have been spotted until the items had been built and installed. To aim at a successful single-shot first-fit installation, new technologies are being developed. A method capable of producing an accurate 3D model of any type of aircraft is vital. Based on this, engineering processes are being developed that combine data of the aircraft, suppliers, and Lufthansa Technik engineering in a digital mock-up. A carefully performed design review process, including a 3D Cave automatic virtual environment projection system, is essential to mature the design and provide confidence in its correctness. Once the design is perfectly fitted to the virtual aircraft, it has to be ensured that this theoretical design, which is based on the simulated 3D model, can be implemented in production. To avoid changing the structure of the aircraft, numerous variables have to be taken into consideration as part of the simulated 3D model, such as temperature and weight changes, to gain assurance that the aircraft's properties and behaviors are as intended.